Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my face is pretty much done today. There is one thing missing on my face, and it is mascaras. So I have not put any mascara on, and there is a reason for that. Actually, today we are going to be testing a new Maybelline mascara, which is called New Temptation Mascara. Apparently this is a new formula that they use with the coconut. So coconut is supposed to be really good for your hair growth, for your skin, for anything. So years and years has been used in makeup industry as a nourishing product. It can make your hair grow faster and very soft depending on your hair. So it's really good product. So now they put it in a mascara, and it kind of makes me think and yeah, I mean, if this is a new mascara that is gonna be the most popular in 2018 like the Lash Paradise was, then hey, let's try it and see if it works. So before we're going to be testing the mascara, I want to go through and kind of give you an idea what it does, what it's supposed to do, and what Maybelline actually saying about it. So I've just got my phone in front of me, I'm doing a screen recording and kind of going through and having a look what the website is actually saying. I'm on Maybelline's website, it's the UK one, I'm not on the American, and I can see this pretty lady with lashes here. She's right there. Straight at the back, this is the first page of Maybelline website, and you can see the mascara literally popping up as the first, and it says New Temptation Mascara, which we are testing today obviously. And I'm just gonna press discover now. It says New Temptation Mascara. It gives you more volume, more length, more conditioned feel. Our first coconut enriched creamy formula. So as I said, it's one of the first Maybelline's new formulas that they use with the coconut. So let's have a look. It's got 3 shades, as you can see here. I don't know which shade it is. What shade is this? I don't know. And we're going down, and a little description of this mascara. It says here, Total Temptation Mascara, black is black, introducing Maybelline's most tempting mascara, gives you more volume, more length, more conditioning feel. Our first coconut enriched creamy formula. Tempted? Are you tempted? It's supposed to give you ultimate volume and length, creamy whipped formula enriched with coconuts, and lashes feel soft and conditioned. So not only you have long lashes, you also are looking after your lashes, which is great, I guess. And then there's 3 steps to how to apply or use this mascara. So obviously we all know how to put mascara. So now I've got my package here, so let's open it up and see what we got here. I'm using really small scissors. Hey. Ah! I love these. Okay, stop it. And it comes like this. There's no packaging or anything. I mean, first impressions, it feels alright. It doesn't really have, it doesn't say much. It literally says nothing. There's nothing about this. It just says Total Temptation, and that's it. It's, as you can see, it's pretty bulky, big mascara, but I can't really, it doesn't even say how much of a product you get in here. So oh, it does. So you get 8.6 milliliters of the product. I don't know how much that is, but in comparison, how much you get here? 6.4. So you get more in here than you get in this one. And this is the Lash Paradise, which was the 2017 one of the best mascaras, if not the best mascaras out there. 8.6 and 6.4. So you get quite more product than that. And I will be honest, the Lash Paradise one runs out quite quick and it dries out pretty quick, so I kind of have to buy it more often. And I think the price for this one was only $8.99, and for the Lash Paradise I think it was $10.99. Just one moment, I'll check, I don't want to lie. Oh, it's actually $11.99. If it works better, then yay, a winner. So let's open it up. Oh wow, okay. It does smell like coconut, and the wand is pretty big. pretty big, not too big, so not like, you know, the ones that you wouldn't want. Like when it's too big, it's kind of difficult to get there in little corners. So this size is pretty decent. So just for comparison, I'm gonna show you the Lash Paradise one and the Temptation. So this side we got the Lash Paradise, and on this side we got the Temptation one, and this one is more like rounded. It's got like kind of a round oval shape, which in this one is more like straight with big bristles, but the bristles look really similar to each other. So I'll just show you that. What I'm gonna do now is just scoop you closer so we can have more detail and you can see how it applies. I'm really bad with applying mascaras. I always get it messy everywhere. I don't know why, but I can't promise you it's gonna be a good application, just to let you know now. I warned you. Alrighty then, really close, I guess, very close, but let's just test it out and see how it applies. Smells so good, honestly. I'm just gonna use the mirror and apply that and kind of get a little bit closer so you see what it does. So far, it is very easy to apply. It's a good one for the lashes. It's not creating any mess and it's very buildable. So I noticed when I started, I was like, this is not as long as I would like it to be, but the more I build up, like as it says you can build it up, the longer my lashes are getting. So what do you think? This is the comparison. This eye has no mascara and this eye has the new mascara, and I just want to try the bottom lashes and see how they would perform. So we got one eye with mascara and one eye without mascara. I really like how the bottom lashes look. Just gonna look at the closer, and the bottom lashes look beautiful. The top lashes, they kind of, it's not bad. I wouldn't say it's bad at all. It's just the way, I kind of wish it had a little bit of a curl. So I'm just gonna grab on this side, I will do the Lash Paradise. On this side, we're doing the Temptation mascara with the coconut. So let's see if in the volume there's much difference, but to be honest, I don't think there will be. And we're just gonna do the bottom lashes. Both mascaras are on. Honestly, I can't tell the difference. This is the Temptational mascara and this one is the Lash Paradise mascara. Honestly, the only difference is you can see that this one is more thicker, kind of, it gives more thicker volume. This one is more like separating a little bit and gives more of a thinner lashes. These are more like volume, like a little bit more but not longer. I don't know, like the length of the lashes look pretty much the same. There's not much difference in there, but with the thickness, this eye looks a little bit thicker and the bottom lashes look identical. Honestly, I'm not mad about it. What I want to do now is get on with my day. I mean, right now is about 1 o'clock and, well, nearly 2 o'clock. I'm gonna kind of do my things, watch some films, edit, do whatever, and see how, in comparison to the Lash Paradise, the new Temptation mascara gonna last. And then at the end of the video, at the end of the day, I'm gonna do kind of a check-in just to show you the difference between those eyes and see if this mascara is better than this mascara. Okay then, so it's been a long time. I've been editing all day, just kind of doing that and that, and as you can see, my makeup is kind of starting become really shiny, so that means it's nearly the end of the day. It's quite late, it's getting late now, and I've been wearing those two mascaras whole day. I don't know, what do you think? I mean, on this side we got the new Temptation mascara, and on this side we got the Lash Paradise. And I'm just gonna grab a mirror and have a look what we got here and what can I see. On this side, I've noticed where the Temptation mascara is that I've got a little bit of a kind of smudging on my lower lash line. It's got a little bit of fallout, and as you can see, it's a little bit smudged. But on this side, it's more like in a control. I wouldn't say there's a massive huge difference in there, but that's all. If you look at the top, there is no smudges whatsoever, and it's still in place. It looks exactly the same like it was before. And if you look on the Lash Paradise side, it's exactly the same as well. So they both look pretty much the same. I don't know, is it the world's new best mascara? You tell me what you think. I think it's a really good competition here, and I think that previously mentioned that the price difference is there. You save few pounds buying the Maybelline mascara. You also get more product in there, which in Lash Paradise you get less product and you have to pay more. Now it's your decision to make, and tell me what you think and which mascara you think is the best. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. It's a little bit different to the ones I've done before, so I just hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next one.